Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an image ID for Nezuko Face and Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to have picture frame in your garden. You can get the picture frame from the picture frame crate. You can purchase it from the props shop, and you can either get the small one, the big one, or the mega one. And once you have the picture frame in your garden, you need to edit the image ID. And this is the image ID for Nezuko Face. Okay, this one 614754017 Once you add this image ID, you will get this Nezuko Face for your picture frame. Okay guys, and that's the image ID for Nezuko Face and Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!